Hello, we're going to start by reviewing the Pythagorean theorem and the distance formula. I put the same problem up there because I wanted you to compare the two and be able to decipher between which one you thought was easier and which one you think you're going to use when it comes to a quiz or a test. So, for the Pythagorean theorem, I've got these 2 points and my goal is to find the distance between these 2 points, or the length of the segment created by these 2 points. So actually, I want to start with the distance formula so I'm not drawing all over the place. So I'm going to label this point A and this point B. So for point A, I have 0, 0, and point B is going to be 5, negative 3. Okay, and from there, you identify one of the points to be x1, y1, and one to be x2, y2. It doesn't actually matter which one you choose is x1, y1, which one's x2, y2. But just pick which one you want to use and stick with it the whole time. The distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, and from here we're just substituting those values in. So x2 is 5, x1 is 0, so 5 minus 0 squared, plus y2, which is negative 3, minus 0 squared. All right, and I'm just going to keep on simplifying. So this would become 5 inside the parentheses squared plus negative 3 inside the parentheses squared. And I wanted to keep the negative 3 in the parentheses because anytime you square a negative number, it's going to become a positive number. So 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9, and that will give me the square root of 34. Plugging that into my calculator right now, and that's going to give me a approximate answer of 5.8. So I should expect to see the exact same value when I solve using the Pythagorean theorem. So for the Pythagorean theorem, what you want to do is you want to create a right triangle. So I drop a vertical line and then a horizontal, and then all you have to do is count the boxes for each. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So from here, I can let one of these be A, one of them be B, and ultimately what I'm trying to solve for is C. So the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I have 3 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared, which is 9 plus 25 equals C squared. The square root on both sides, so that becomes the square root of 34, which is C, and then that means that C equals 5.8. So you'll notice that both of these different methods gave me the exact same answer. So both would work on a quiz or a test, but you got to pick which one you think makes more sense to you and stick with it.